Hello, good day again. This is another project. Instead of using LED and a buzzer, what we do now, we put an LCD, all right, an LCD screen, and with a motion sensor, and it's printing no motion detected, and so on. This is quite useful. We can also check it with an LED or a buzzer or even other screen. Can be done with other screen. Okay, motion detected. Got to be at a certain distance to move. Doesn't work if it's too close because you can set it up here. You see this one, adjustable resistance to pick up the distance up to probably 5 or 6, 8 meters. Okay. Motion detected. Here we are. Thank you very much. I will upload the code as well. Thank you. Bye.